Okay, let me show you how this works. I've got my wife's watering can here. I really hope she's not watching this. And you can see if I tip it like this, it pours as it normally should. So now what I'm going to do, without even drying it, I'm going to put IncredaFILL on it, and I'm going to show you how quickly it can be cured. First thing we need to do though, always safety first when you're using any UV curable products. We always recommend that you wear safety glasses and you put on safety gloves. Make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area. We take a small scoop of IncredaFILL out of the tub. Without even drying it, I'm just going to smooth it over the top and fill in those holes. This is not something that has any real practical use, but I'm just showing you how quickly this product can cure in an instant with the UV light. If you haven't seen it before, it can be quite amazing. Now we take the UV light, straight away you can see that's already curing in about, I'm going to give it another 5 seconds. Now that is cured. You don't believe me? Well, check this out. Wow, just like magic. I'd like to see you do that with any other filler paste in 15 seconds. Now let's go through some real life uses because I keep doing this with my wife's watering can. I'm not going to be married for very long.